નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Standard 4th, Subject Environment, Chapter number 5, Anita and the Honeybees, Part 2. Good morning, students. How are you all? Now, let's start the second part of chapter number 5, Anita and the Honeybee. But before starting the part 2, let us do a quick revision of the part 1, means what we have learned in the part 1. So in the part 1, we have learned about a girl named Anita who lives in Bihar and she loves to go to the school. But she has to face many difficulties to fulfill her dream, because going to school was her dream, right? And her parents also supported her in this. She, along with her studies, she also teaches the young children and earn money, and with that money she continued her studies. See, there are many lychee trees in the area where she lives. So, she started the business of the beekeeping. For that, she has taken the proper training also. And to buy the special boxes for the beekeeping, she needs 5,000 rupees. So, to earn that money, she continued to teach the children and she got that rupees. And from that money, she bought 2 boxes of rupees 2,000 each. And from the remaining money, she has bought a sugar to make the syrup for the honey and the medicine to clean the boxes. Till here we have learned in the part 1. Now let's continue with our part 2. So that was the time of the September when she started this. Okay. So now she has many bees. So as she has many bees, she has to buy 2 more boxes to keep their bees. So along with keeping these bees, she was also continued to learn more and more thing about the beekeeping. So now she has started the beekeeping properly. But this beekeeping was not so easy for her. See, you all know that whenever we go near to the beehive, the house of the bee is known as beehive, you all know na? So whenever you go near to the beehive, the honey bee might sting you. Sting means bite you. So sometimes whenever Anita do her work, some of the bees might sting her, and her hands and face may get swallow. Swallow means सूजन आ जाना, right? And it might have a lot of pain, but still she couldn't complain to anyone, because no one has told her to do this work. She has decided this to do by her own. So she couldn't complain to anyone also. See, if you do any work by your own, if your parents are saying no, but still you do that work, and if you get any hurt in that, then you can't complain to your parents, because you have done it by your own. Your parent has not told you to do that, right? On the lychee trees, flower comes in the month of the February. So she has kept her box boxes near the lychee orchard. So from this she got 12 kgs of honey from one box. So she sold this honey in the market and got the money. So this was her first earning from the bees. So now she has 20 boxes to keep the honeybees. So now everybody in the nearby villages also came to know Anita. Right? So she goes to the village meetings and talk to the villagers about the importance of the study. See, she has got the education. So from that she has got the idea to earn the money by herself and what she can do to earn the money. So she started telling the importance of study to all the villagers. So many times some of the villagers used to make laugh of Anita, but she doesn't care about it. She started her work and she wants to become a wholesaler. Wholesaler means a person who buys or sells the things in a bulk. It is called a wholesaler. So she wanted to become a wholesaler because she wanted to help the villagers to get the right price of their honey. Okay? So this is the story of the Anita. Now let us know something more about the honeybees. See, you all know the house of the honeybee is called beehive. So in this beehive there is one queen bee who lays the egg, and most of the honeybees are worker bee. So the worker bee has to work the whole day. So they are busy all the day. And what does they do? They goes to the flowers and collect the nectar from the flowers. So they make honey from this nectar of the flowers. So they have to collect the nectar of the flowers. So whenever any honeybee find a nectar, they does a special dance so that the other honeybees can know that here is a nectar in the flower. So they could come and collect that nectar. And then they takes that nectar to the beehive. And what happens if this worker bee doesn't do any work? Then the other bee would die of hunger. They will not get the food. Right? So all these honeybees work in a group. Like queen bee lays the eggs and the other bees has to collect the nectar from the flowers. Like this, bees, ants also work in a group. In the ants also there is one queen ant which lays eggs, and there are a soldier ants which protects the ant hill. The house of the ant is called ant hill. And the worker ant goes outside and collect the food and brings it to the ant hill. Okay? So in this chapter we have learned about the Anita and her struggle for the studies and how she has become a businesswoman, and about the honeybees also. So I think everybody has cleared this chapter.
Thank you for joining us.